This expression sounds like it has to do with eating.
Bite off more than you can chew.
But are our friends really talking about food? Let's listen.
How was your weekend, Anna?
Actually, I was really busy. I started another baking job. My editor is still waiting for my book draft, which I didn't finish. I was late for a teaching job on Saturday.
Sounds like you bit off more than you could chew. You need to give yourself a little downtime.
If someone bites off more than they can chew, it means they are trying to do too much. If you think of taking a big bite of food and then trying to chew it in your mouth, you get the idea of what this expression means. In Anna's case, she took on too much work but couldn't keep up.